Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video on IPSY. It is the January 2020 bag. I just got it. Discover yourself. I don't know if that's new, but same pink salmon color packaging. And if you don't know about IPSY, we can discuss real quick. So this IPSY subscription that I have is $12 a month. You get travel size, fun size, I call them, products each month. Each month is a different theme. I already know that January is clean slate, which is cute, you know, beginning of the year. So every month you get a bag for 12 bucks. Now they do have different tiers, so the next one would be the Glam Bag Plus and Premium, if I'm not mistaken. I will correct that if I'm wrong. But I don't have those subscriptions as of now. I kind of just like the bag just because it's travel size, it's fun size, and I just like to try products. I'm new to using a whole lot of makeup, trying on different things, and you know, they give you all kinds of things: skincare, makeup, eyeshadows. I know that's makeup, but face creams and things of that nature. Sometimes you even get nail polish. I've gotten a few nail polishes from them as well. But today's video is just unboxing, unbagging IPSY January. Let's get into it. Oh, and if I didn't say already, if you like this video, please give it a good thumbs up and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell if you want to be notified for future uploads and posts and things of that nature. I will link everything down below and what I got in this bag and the website for IPSY. So let's see. As per usual, the bag. It's like a marble looking bag, so I get it. Clean slate. But I like it. This is a nice bag. I like the front zip as opposed to like the top zip. I have a few different ones that have the top zip, but this one is just the front zip. Nice pink, and right away I see a brush. It's a Luxy Brush. Let's open it. I believe I picked this because I don't have a lot of brushes, so I'm working on my brush collection. But it's a Luxy, and I love Luxy brushes. It's got that fan tip. So this is a Luxy 560 medium fan. So for like your highlight, contouring, you know, it's very elegant looking, like very. I took it out the wrong way. I guess you're supposed to put it in this way. Me, you know, being new, I went like this. Oh, I guess there's no right, wrong, but when you put it back, it just goes back in this little sleeve, which is super cute for traveling. Again, why I like IPSY so far. I've seen mixed reviews on IPSY lately. So first off, I like my brush. And now let's open our cute little bag. All right, so a few things in here. Let's go with the first one. And oh, look, in the inside, look at that. It's got the IPSY symbol in there. That's new. I haven't seen that. I know it has it on the little tassel for the bag, but I haven't seen it like inside. Okay, so first, let's go back. You get a little card. It'll tell you what's the month, the theme, and then on the inside, it'll tell you about each product that you received. A little description and prices. So, clean slate, nice fresh face. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone, like the slate. Perfect. And it says hashtag IPSY Clean Slate. All right, so we got the brush. Let me see if there was anything I was missing. Value 18 bucks. And the next thing that I popped out of here is the Pore Glow Mask. It is JJ Young Pore Glow Mask. So it feels cool, refreshing, and helps calm puffiness. This is $15. And as I've said before in my other videos, the reason why I like IPSY is because of the travel size, the fun size, the let me just try this out before I buy a huge tub of something I'm never going to use. And this goes right into the scheme of what I'm trying to say. So let's see, it says menthol infused clay mask. Open it. I just want to smell it because I like to smell everything. Oh, I love these little caps. Oh, it's not a cap. Fail. Okay. It's a slight scent. Slight. I'm just going to leave that out because it's making more of a mess. All right, so that's going to go in the collection with face products. Next, let's get in there. Oh, I knew I was going to get this because I picked this. The Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. And this is in 0.5 fluid ounces. So again, perfect to just throw in your bag, get on the plane, bus, train, cruise, however you travel, and you still have your products that you like. So I like Glow Recipe. I just got Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask in my BoxyCharm. But prior to that, I had a small little, tiny, I think it was 0.3 or 0.5 ounces of the Watermelon Glow Mask. I love that sleeping mask. So I'm interested to try this. This is 34 bucks in a full-size product. I'm reading it. The value of a full-size version would be 34 bucks for 160 mLs. And let me go back to this mask would be 15 bucks in a full-size version. So I don't know that we can go off these prices, but okay, because this is not the full size. Next item. Ooh, an eyeliner. So this is Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner in night or noche. Okay, this is cute. So let's try it out. Oh, I love the tip. Very smooth. It's like a fine applicator. Very smooth. I like it. And you know what else? Since I'm all over the place, I forgot to put on my lips. Now, I'm pretty sure... This is IPSY. I'm pretty sure that I did a video on that IPSY. And this is Kylie Cosmetics in Damn Girl, which I love her applicator and her stuff. I'm going to do both because they're kind of both nudie. But that's what happens when you're a busy mama. You forget to finish the rest of your face. Okay, so Ojos Perfectos. I like any kind of eyeliner, especially liquid or... Look at that. Look at that line. I didn't even mean to draw it like that. I just wanted to try it out. But I love it. Let's see. One more thing in our little bag of fun. This is Real Her eyeshadows in Victorious. Like I said, very small, travel size, fun size. This is 0.06 ounces. So it's like enough for me. I don't know if you can see that color. It's I swear I have like so many of this similar shade. It's a rose goldish. Let's do a swatch. See that? Let's put it right next to the eyeliner. Yeah. It's definitely a rose gold. I like it because I like neutral colors, although I'm doing like this hot pink bohemian vibe. I had my Bahamas shirt on earlier, so I was like, take me to the Bahamas in my eyes. So cute, cute, and cute. As I said, the things that I like the most about IPSY are the fun size products. Okay, so close up on that again. I'm just gonna wipe it off with a baby wipe. So I like the stuff that I got this month for January. I'm gonna keep it real short. I haven't had a reason to not continue my subscription with IPSY. So I'll just keep going. I like that you get to pick out an option. They email you, which is really nice, and you get the link right in your email so that you can pop on the website ipsy.com and pick out your choice item. Now, I picked skincare only because I got the glow recipe, and the watermelon mask smells amazing. So I wanted to try the blueberry cleanser. I like gentle cleansers. I don't like things with heavy scents. So yeah, see, it's like a nice touch of blueberry. Like, oh, I can't even wait to use that. So I'm gonna do a video pretty shortly about skincare and what I use currently and what my favorite products. And maybe I should do a separate video on what are my favorite products starting this year, because it is January. It is a clean slate. Everybody starts the new year with, you know, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to change. I'm going to start exercising. I'm going to start eating better. So what I've incorporated is I'm going to take care of my skin, however that might be, with really high-end products or really low-end products, and see which one reacts better to my skin, because this is the stuff that you wear all day, every day, your skin. And then I want to do a little jingle. Headband of the day. Headband of the day. Push your locks away with the headband of the day. Inspired by John Legend and Chrissy Teigen. I don't know if you guys remember when he was doing those posts. I think it was sometime last year, but it was so funny. And then I just thought about it. Let me say that again. Thanks guys for watching, and please subscribe and like. It would mean the world to me. And I will continue doing videos as much as I see that they're popular, and as much as I like watching other people's videos. So comment down below and tell me what your favorite product that you got out of IPSY this month, if you're subscribed, and if you're gonna subscribe, what you wanted out of the bag, or the Glam Bag Plus, or the premium box. Let's just share ideas. That's what it's all about, really. Sharing and having fun with makeup. At least that's what I'm doing. So thanks guys.